When you start the imports of your required merchandise from overseas, the exporter requires the letter of credit from the buyer. If the buyer is SME and they don't have bank facilities to arrange the letter of credit for their supplier, then it will be difficult for them to cover their imports. The bank will require 100% cash margin from them to open the required documentary letter of credit. In addition, the bank will charge L.L.C commission, processing fee, and SWIFT charges. If the importer does not have such funds available at their bank account, their bank will not establish the letter of credit in favor of their supplier. In this situation, we, as a letter of credit provider, can arrange the required L.L.C MT700 from our bank facilities with European banks for the SMEs to cover their imports. Our L.C opening charges are nominal and procedure is very simple and hassle-free. By paying the nominal L.C charges, the L.C will be opened in favor of the supplier, and the importer can gain huge profits by their international trade. You can contact us at any time for your documentary letter of credit requirement, and our specialist team members will be glad to assist you. Contact information. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.